Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Hardware Showcase Double A Shadows. Dear friends, I am back with my hero car showcase and today we have a plane for the review and unboxing friends. This baby is from the SW Daredevils 4 of 5 friends. The name of this baby is the Propz, the Curse series. Here is the back side of the pack friends. You can check the cool info of the Propz SW Daredevils 4 of 5. Our lovely plane is ready for unboxing and a cool review on the showtime. Dear friends, our lovely plane is here with some great finishings. You can check friends, the green top and the orange base with the purple propellers. This is pretty awesome friends. The finishing of the wings is pretty cool with some cool logos, Hot Wheels and the Daredevils. Here is the topper view friends. The finishing of the wings with some nice custom work is pretty awesome friends. And the below side with some cool readable info. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Please comment below your findings, your feedback. Have a great weekend friends. Love you all. Bye.